Hello everybody, I'm really pleased that you're here today at Graceful Embroidery. It is truly amazing that I have had the privilege of digitising machine embroidery designs now for 14 years, and beginning today we're going to celebrate that with a 5-week event. I must begin by expressing my thanks to everybody who's supported and inspired me along the way. I've made some wonderful friends all over the world, and I really appreciate their friendship and getting to know them through my embroidery. I am indeed extraordinarily blessed. There are times in our lives when even the things we are most passionate about hold little interest for us. And I think during this period of pandemic, we've all had our challenges and struggles to deal with. And some of us have found sitting in front of our machines a little bit too much. We've all had our individual struggles. But one thing I've learned over these months is that being creative is very beneficial and very therapeutic. There's something about planning your next embroidery, getting out the fabric, choosing the design that you're going to use, and the most exciting part for me is choosing that colour scheme, getting all those threads together, laying them out. Just conjures up inside me an awful lot of excitement about the possibilities and helps me imagine what the end result will be. During this birthday event, I hope that I will inspire and challenge and perhaps teach you a few new tricks. It's my hope not only to share with you over 36 new freebies, one of which will be available each day, but I want to invite you here into my embroidery studio and give you some ideas about how to use those designs. So it's important that you watch out for my videos and also for my blogs, in which I will look at the designs and share with you what I have in mind, some of the possibilities that you may like to consider too. Now, at the moment, these freebies are in fact part of a whole collection, 5 sets of designs, which is nearly complete, ready to be released after the birthday event, but it has no name. And I'm going to leave that to you. So as you download the freebies each day, I hope that you will come up with some suggestions and email them to me. Now, there's lots of instructions on the website, and the first thing I want to remind everybody is that you download the freebies from my website, Graceful Embroidery. They are not available in the Graceful Embroidery group forum. All right, and the other thing for you to remember is that when you're getting freebies, they are free, so they do not need to go in your cart. There is a button, and I'll show that to you. There'll be instructions on the page. There's a button which enables you to download it immediately. I'm going to put up a video explaining exactly how to download the designs each day and save them to your computer. Now, before I go, I have my designer epic all set up, ready to stitch out the first design, and I'm going to go through it and talk to you a little bit about what's in there.